So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
It's the final brain cell.
The story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Okay, new challenge. Wait till your dog's sleeping, then take one of his favorite treats.
I got some dog food for you. Yo.
Go get it.
A piece of steak. You ready? What do you think? Another piece? Good stuff, huh? It's the final brain cell.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Get my happy.
Bark at your dog to see their reaction. Dog Mom Edition.
What's wrong? What did I say? Love you. Oh, sorry.
Cotter, I'm going to show you my new look in 3, 2, 1.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub. Charlie, come on. Go. Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I, so put your pretty little hand in.
Sadie, put down the duck. Sadie, it is alive. Leave the duck alone. Sadie, release. Release, leave it alone. All right, baby, you better go. You better run. Go, baby.
Me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.